Alright guys, what's up with the market today? It's time for us to get to work. Did you see that news? Yeah, I heard it. Who's there? Hey there.
Hey buddy,
Hey my friend, it has really been a long time no see. How have you actually been?
I'm doing well. I actually have some work for you. Well,
Go ahead.
we definitely still need to earn more.
People buddy, you can count on me. We will definitely multiply this amount and we'll be sure to get in touch with you. Alright.
Buddy, I trust you.
Alright, thanks. See you. Okay, I need to call my friend. Hello, Franklin. Yeah, hi.
Hi, More.
Listen, there's something really important. Come over to my place right now.
I'll be there soon. Wait for me.
Hey, Franklin.
Hey, More. So why did you call me today?
We have a very important matter to take care of together. A mutual acquaintance of ours, someone you know very well, reached out to me. And he entrusted us with this sum so that we could increase it and make some money for him.
Guys, I'm sure we can handle this. Let's get started. And while we begin trading, please remember that our Telegram channel is linked right there in the pinned comment. By joining, you will be able to learn everything about trading. Also join copy trading, get access to a helpful signal bot, and enter the VIP group with trading signals. Go ahead, subscribe now, and we'll get started.
So, guys, as you can see, we currently have 10,000 in our balance right now. We've deposited this money, made a deposit, and now we're going to grow this amount.
So I'll be opening the first trade. I think 15-second trades will be enough for us. Let's start with $1,000 since our balance isn't small and we can take a bit of a risk. Alright, I think the chart is about to go down. Okay, the first candle is going up, but that's alright. We still have a whole 10 seconds left. That's a really big candle. Hopefully the situation will still have time to turn around. No worries. The main thing to remember is trading is impossible without losses. I'm sure we'll make up for the money spent.
Alright guys, let's get to the analysis. As we begin, I think I'll open a down trade here to support our current downward movement. As we can see, we have a strong candle moving down, and in any case this trade will close in profit for us. We have just a little bit of time left. And yes friends, our trade closes in profit.
But we shouldn't forget that we are still in the red. That's why I want to try to recover on this currency pair and get back to it. For that, I'll even place a trade a little higher. Alright, $1,200. We open a trade for a decrease. Oh, we're getting a strong downward candle. We can see that. The currency pair was overbought and now there's a downward trend. No, we don't need any upward candles. Alright, only 3 seconds left. And yes, great, we've already made $1,000. Only 9 left to go.
Yes, for sure. Our plan for today is to double our balance. Alright, this is an interesting currency pair. Let's perhaps... Of course, it's a strange situation, but at this point in time, let's open a trade downwards. Overall, we also see a clear downward trend, so I think it's better to go with it. But as you can see, the situation is still unclear, but I'm confident our trade will close in profit.
Good candles, going down perfectly as expected. We're taking another round of profit right now, guys.
Our friend will certainly be very pleased, and
so our balance is actually already at 12,000 US dollars. So, you know guys, I think it's the perfect time to increase our trade amount by $300. Let's analyze it using the charts. We can see that the currency pair is currently at a selling point, so at this point in time, we're supporting the downward trend with $1,500. In 15 seconds, we immediately get downward candles. No, we don't want upward candles, but we're getting terrible candles at the top, but that's okay. The situation can still change. Guys, did you see that candle? Yes. Yes, we managed to make money. Excellent.
because we had an overall downward trend and it was quite obvious that the chart would go down.
So now it's the C's turn. We've already earned $3,409.
So, dear traders, let's open a trade right now here for an upward movement because we see an overall uptrend in the market and we have strong bullish candles. That's why I'm confident that our trade will close smoothly and confidently. Plus, as we can see, we have a very strong and steady growth, and yes, as you can see, we're making our profit.
Guys, I suggest that we slightly increase the amount of our bets. Let's push it up to $2,000 because we're almost there, really close. We're opening a trade for an upward movement since we can clearly see an overall uptrend in the market, but immediately a bearish candle appears. Let's stay attentive and carefully watch how the situation develops. But that's okay, we still have a whole 6 seconds left, guys. Come on, up, great. Yes, the trade went into profit in the very last second. We only have $3,500 left to go. That's not so much, guys. Just a couple more trades.
Guys, if you want us to handle trading for you as well and have the trades automatically copied to your account, just reach out to us. All our contact information is in the video description. There you'll find our Telegram channel and you can get in touch with us.
Also remember that in addition to this, we have a Signal bot group with VIP signals. Overall, it's a good currency pair. I see a good entry point and I think we'll open a trade for an increase to support our upward trend. As we can see, our candles are confidently rising. I'm sure our friend will be really very pleased with our result. Quick and profitable. So now it's Franklin's turn. Guys, I'm going back to my favorite pair, AutoSD and OTC. So we see an overall upward trend. We only have one trade left to make money for our friend. Only 8 seconds left. And that's all that separates us from victory. I'm sure this trade will be profitable since we see strong candles going up. Yes guys, we're making a profit and we've even done more than that. Guys, in just one video we managed to earn $10,000. Let's see how our friend reacts.
So guys, Shanklin has already left to take care of his business. I'm absolutely ready, without any hesitation, to return the money, now doubled, to our friend. Yeah bro, come in. Hey man.
Hi Morrie. So how are things going?
Well, I actually have some really good news for you.
Whoa. Oh my god. This is just incredible. Thank you so much. It's not for nothing that I follow your Telegram channel. I'm part of the copy trading, I have the Signal bot and access to the web group. Guys, I recommend you do the same to earn money like this.
I highly recommend that you please listen to my friend and don't miss out on such a very great opportunity to trade with us. Thank you all for watching our video. I think and hope that it was very useful for you. See you in the next video.